whole bag before. I'm probably gonna seriously finish both of these before the movie even starts. So maybe I'll have them during. And then obviously a Frappuccino filled with beautiful caffeine and sugar. And these will all be finished. Guarantee you, these will be finished before the movie starts. This will be the first 20 minutes of the movie, and I'm gonna love every minute of it.
I found a boy I could love. Maybe I found a few. Even with best intention, they never follow through. If he could take my heart now, he'd put it right in her chest, thinking he'd have a girl they finally could love best. And I'm gonna be fine, fine, fine. I'm gonna be brilliant. This year is gonna be better, and you're gonna say this year gonna be stronger and a braver me.
Once I decided to make this lifestyle change and to start losing weight, I started just by going grocery shopping. It didn't have to be healthy food at the grocery store. It just had to be something that wasn't fast food. I just needed to get myself out of that whole fast food.
This year, I may not be perfection, I never claimed to be. Maybe if I was thin or beautiful classically, all of the things I carry and all of the things I know that I will be loved no matter where I go. And I'm gonna be fine, fine, fine. I'm just gonna be different. This year is gonna be better, and you're gonna say this year I'm gonna be stronger and a braver